Yeah.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Wait, do you want to see a round off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Good job.
Wait, do you want me to start from there?
No? Okay, yeah.
Because then I'll face that way. I just can't bounce because it's just a mat.
Look, Connie, a Netflix.
What?
Whoa!